The sand has been washed out again in Pattaya Beach, Thailand. We are on the location of the Disney Marvel Comics Ms. Marvel filming location. Yes, for the past 2 days, the film crews have been out here day and night setting up, shooting, and ripping their stuff down. And I believe they were supposed to come back today and do a couple of retakes. Now, supposedly, this was supposed to be a secret film shoot, but it's all over the press in India that they are shooting in Thailand. Also, from the American press, I got the word that the working title of the film is Ms. Marvel. It rained so hard in Pattaya yesterday, the water was over that little girl's head. The film crew will not be able to come back here and redo their takes until they get the beach back into the condition that it was before it rained, because they can't shoot now because none of the shots will match up. Since international tourists are few and far between, Thailand has gone whole hog on bringing out the local Thai folks to enjoy Thailand. And in case you're wondering, this is a man-made beach. Well, there was a little beach here, then they extended it and brought it way out. So basically, it's a man-made beach. And every time there is a severe rainstorm, this thing washes away. What they need to do is to bite the bullet and build a couple of canals up, starting on the dark side of Sukhumvit Road and draining the water out properly, instead of letting it just run nilly-dilly down north, south, and central Pattaya roads. Over here, it looks like they put rocks down as a bed, then poured sand over it and expected it to last. Well, anyway, it looks like Ms. Marvel has failed to save the day. There are miles of fantastic footage still to come your way, so please like and subscribe.